Really nice.
And it's gone.
And it's gone. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of The Traveling Hobbit. I'm Neil.
I'm Bishop.
And we are going to be cooking again.
Yay!
We haven't had a cooking session for a while, so we're going to do it today. So what we're going to do today is corn fritters. So it's easy. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes to cook. Not even that really.
Start to finish.
Yeah, so start to finish is really quick, and the ingredients are really easy as well.
Yep.
And easy to get in the market. So so these are the ingredients for the corn fritters. 320 grams tin of sweet corn. So it's drained as well.
Yep.
So 4 spring onions, which is finely chopped. We just chopped it earlier on. And then 3 large eggs. And then we have 40 ml of milk. And then we have 100 grams of plain flour. And half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And we have 1 clove of garlic.
It may be 2 because we
It
like
may
garlic.
be 2, yeah, we like garlic very much. And we have 1 teaspoon of Japanese 7 spice, which is that, really nice. And vegetable oil for frying, which is at the pan now. So we're just going to start off mixing everything all together.
Yep.
So in a large bowl, we have a large bowl there, and then beat the eggs.
Yep.
And combine the eggs and the milk.
Eggs.
Yeah.
Seven spice. Put the cayenne in flour and sift that in. Because you don't want lumpy flour sitting in your fritters, because that's never nice. And then just fold all that in. If you think it's too thick, you can add a little bit more milk. If you think it's too runny, you can add a little bit more flour. So it's all about personal preference at this point. And that is just about it, I think.
And that's it.
How quick was that?
How quick is that? Yeah. So we're just going to fry it in
Vegetable oil.
and then that's it. Hi guys, so we're heating the oil. Hopefully it will be quick, but it will be, I'm sure. Yeah, so we're going to be deep frying it.
Shallow fry.
Shallow frying it. The oil is hot, so
Oil is hot, and hot oil is dangerous.
it's dangerous.
It's dangerous. Oh,
It's dangerous.
do not leave unattended or
Yeah.
leave the pan handle over the edge for a small
Over the
child
edge.
or a small hobbit to knock off.
Yeah. So
Always caution your hobbits.
safety first before anything else.
Yep.
So there you go, guys.
Hi guys, we're back. So I think the oil is hot. You can sort of see it shimmering a little bit. But if you drop a tiny little bit of the batter into the pan, it should hopefully bubble. Oh no, it's not ready. There you go. Yeah, it's bubbling now. Bubble instantly. And I think yeah, it's pretty much ready. So what we're going to do, we're going to drop a tablespoon's worth of the mixture batter in to the pan. It's probably going to make a hell of a lot of noise. And we're going to put 4 or 5 in. Normally our pan takes about 5. But don't do more than that, because you want to make sure you're looking after them and they're going well. If you put too many in, it gets a bit clustered. And obviously if you're using a smaller pan, put less in. Okay, so we're shallow frying. We've got about 1 centimetre of oil in there. Just turn it down a little bit. And we're going to let those sit for maybe 2 to 3 minutes on this side, and then we're going to check them out. And once they're nice and golden brown, we're going to flip them over.
Hi guys, so we are just frying at the moment.
Yep.
You might be wondering why we were wearing aprons at the moment because the it gets really poppy.
Yep.
The sweet corn, so oil gets into your clothes. So just for precaution, we're wearing nice aprons at the moment. So yeah. So hopefully this would taste nice. Hopefully, because Bishop is the one cooking for me.
Yeah.
Yay.
And you're hungry.
And I'm hungry as well. So
This makes a really good brunch. So if you haven't had breakfast, it's almost like an omelette with lots of sweet corn and spring onions in.
It's really nice. So can't wait. I'll see you later, guys. So what's next?
So they've been going for about two or 3 minutes. We're just going to check their little bottoms. Yeah, it looks pretty good. And just gently flip them over. You might find that some of the batter on top's a little bit runny still, and you might come out onto your spoon. So once you flip them over, give them another 1 to 2 minutes on this side until they're a nice golden brown again. And then once we do that, once they're cooked, they're going to come out and sit on some kitchen roll or a paper towel so you remove the oil that's still attached.
Hi guys, so we're all done with the cooking. So it's all here, yum yum, and it's better to have it with a dipping sauce. At the moment we have a sweet chili dipping sauce over here, which is a very good combo for the corn fritters, okay? So we're going to try it now. It's good. Bishop is filming me, doesn't want to be eating in front of a camera though, that's why.
Yeah, you food shame me, I don't care.
You're nice. Look at that. Look at the insides of it. It's soft. It's soft in the inside, but it's crispy in the outside. And yeah, all the flavor is here. And combining it with the chili sauce, it's a very good combo. Really tasty. Really nice.
And it's gone.
And it's gone. So that's it for today's episode, guys. So make sure you press the subscribe button below. Like, comment, and share. Somewhere here. Like, comment, and share, and comment something back. And press the bell so you can see our videos every week, guys, okay? So from all of us here at The Traveling Hobbit, always remember, guys, create happy memories and always keep smiling. See you soon. Bye.